Hello, everyone. Are you tired of the hassle and inefficiency of filling products by hand? Do you want a device that can quickly, accurately, and hygienically pour liquids into a variety of containers? Well, you need our Chengxiang to bring you filling machine. This is roll-on/perfume bottle filling machine suitable for 5 ml to 200 ml bottles. The roll-on/perfume bottle filling machine nozzles adopts a drip-proof needle design and has servo-driven control and photoelectric detection to ensure that no bottle, no filling. This is a mechanical arm that can automatically pick and place caps and tips. We can also customize according to your needs, such as piston pumps, peristaltic pumps, 316L stainless steel, etc. The star wheel we use is wear resistant, high temperature resistant, low temperature resistant, and not easily deformed. In summary, this roll-on/perfume bottle filling machine is an efficient, stable, and safe mechanical product. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more, please contact us.